Namaste everyone, I am Shivansh and today I will take you on a tour of my amazing boarding school. Let's begin. Namaste sir. This is our school gate. It's a place where all the amazing things happen. Beyond this gate lies a world of fun, learning and friendship. Come on in. Nestled in the rolling hills, our school is embraced by a lush forest landscape. Snow-capped mountains rise majestically in the distance, creating a breathtaking backdrop. The natural beauty surrounding our campus offers a serene and inspiring environment for learning. And here's one of our classrooms. We have engaging lessons here with lots of discussions and activities. The teachers are so supportive and learning feels exciting. This is our library, my favorite place to study and explore new ideas. It is quite peaceful and has all the books you can imagine. And this is our sports field. After classes, this is the perfect place to play and unwind. We have activities for everyone, whether you love team sports or just running around. This is our dining hall. We gather here for meals 3 times a day. The food here is healthy and delicious. Look at all the happy faces. Now next, it is the hostel room. Here, every student has their own bed, study table and storage space. It is so comfortable that it feels like a second home. We also have a laundry service to keep our clothes neat and tidy. That's the end of our tour. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed seeing my school. It's a wonderful place full of fun, learning and new opportunities. I hope to see you here someday. Bye.